experiment is called the Rainbow Walk. You will need 7 cups, water, 6 paper towels, yellow, blue, and red food coloring. Mark your cups by numbering them 1 through 7. You will need to add water to every other cup starting with 1, 3, 5, and 7. You will then need to take 6 napkins and fold them in half lengthwise twice.
Okay, there's 1. You skip 2. Go to 3. Okay, so first, we're gonna open this up. Wait! And we're gonna put 5 drops of red in there, okay? In this one, number 1. Okay. You do blue. Slowly, okay?
Now taking your pre-folded paper towels, place 1 paper towel in between each 2 cups.
Getting colorful. Look at this one. This one's already full.
The water will begin to soak up and travel through the paper towels from each direction and eventually into the empty cup. This is the process known as capillary action.
Journey, did the water travel from here to there? And then this one from here to there, huh? And then they go in the same one and they make a color.
You can see red color from cup number 1 will mix with yellow from cup number 3, making orange. Blue and yellow will make green, and blue and red will make purple. It will take some time for the water to travel, so be patient, and I recommend setting up the experiment in an area where you can come back and observe it. This is a great science activity to tie into mixing primary colors.